welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the lighting and I'm sorry for the sound. It's not ideal, but we're in the bathroom. If you saw my video a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago now, I tried some hair extensions from SHEIN and I absolutely loved them. They're real human hair. They were such good quality. I loved them. I dyed them in that video as well, if you want to go back and watch that. I have taken them out because I just wanted to give my hair a little break, and SHEIN very kindly sent me some more along with some other little goodies. So I'm going to show you what we got, and we're going to be putting in the hair extensions. First things first, the extensions. So I got 2 of the 24-inch 50-gram extensions. So there's going to be 100 grams in my hair in total. These ones are all tapes. Last time I did tapes and nano bonds. This time I'm just doing tapes because I found them so much easier. With the nano bonds, my hair at the back had started to like mat around them, which was one of the big reasons why I took them out as well. And I found that with the tapes, everything went so smoothly and they were really good quality. SHEIN also sent me this, which is a hair waver. You'll put your hair in like that and it'll create like waves. I've wanted one of these for ages because I was making waves with my straightener, like going back and forwards. I have needed one of these for a while. And the other thing SHEIN sent me was a curling wand. Again, I was using my straightener for everything. I don't have a curling wand. My straightener was working hard because it was curling, it was crimping. My straightener was doing it all, but now I actually have some tools. So this is one of the curling ones that has this clip thing, and then I think you go from like here, wrap it, and then let it curl, and then let it down. Obviously it's not on, so it's not going to work right now, but we will be trying this out as well. So this is what today's video is going to be about. If you're excited to watch it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because about 80% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed. That is rude. Subscribing is totally free and it helps me out a lot, so please subscribe and watch me put these extensions in my hair. I've opened one of the packets. The hair is slightly darker than my actual hair, which is fine because it's real hair, so we can put hair dye over it. The hair itself is really good quality. Obviously it's real human hair, and it comes with extra tapes as well. Obviously you've seen me put tape and extensions in before, but I didn't do that great a job last time. Anyway, yeah, you've seen me put in tape ins before, but I didn't do the best job because when I wore my hair down, you could see them at the back of my head here, and then I realised afterwards that you're not supposed to put them high up at the back of your head. You're supposed to stop like here. So that's what we're going to do this time. So they come with this little sticky tab. So to actually install them, you will peel the sticky bit off one side, put it on top of your hair about 1 centimetre from the root, lift it up with whatever hair comes with it. You then get the other one and sandwich your hair in like that. Also, what I like to do is get a hair straightener and just quickly clamp it together so that it kind of like melts the adhesive onto your hair so it stays put for longer. So I'm gonna do that as well. I've sectioned out the bottom section of my hair. I think that's as well as it's gonna go. And I think I'm just gonna start with 2. There and there. Okay, I've put this mirror here so it's easier for me to see the back of my head. I'm gonna put it like right here on the side. There is perfect. The next thing we want to do is grab the other one. We want to lift up the hair that this one has got and then stick this underneath. So there you can see that has sandwiched a bit of my hair. I'm going to go in with my straighteners, like I said, and just clamp it. Just quickly, just to kind of melt the adhesive together. And that can move freely without actually like pulling my hair. That is perfect. So that is the first one in. One down. A lot to go. Okay, now I've got the first layer done. I've just sectioned out the second layer, and then we're just going to do the same thing. I think I'm going to put 4 on this layer. like a strand of tinsel or something. There's no other ones, and it's only that long. It's only to there. There's nothing. Can you? I don't know if you can really see that, but it's like sparkly tinsel. I don't know what that's all about, but the rest of the hair is just normal. I'm just gonna keep it in because why not? Add a bit of sparkle to my life. Okay, you can kind of see in the mirror there, but it is coming together slowly. I am going to do one more row because I have reached the top of my ear now. So I'm going to do one more row and then I'm going to start on the sides. Time to open the second bag of hair. So I've done the back now, I just need to do the sides because that is not it. I've stopped the last row of the back about here, so this time, fingers crossed, I'll be able to wear my hair down without being able to see all my extensions. So the middle of my hair is like here. I want to keep about a few centimeters between where I put the furthest back side one and like the middle of my hair, because if I do want to like put my hair half to the front or something, I don't want to be able to see these tapes. So this is what the side of my head is looking like currently, and I think I'm just going to put 2 tapes there. Okay, I'm going to take a break and go and get some water and sit outside because I am hot. Okay, so I've done the bottom layers and then I've done 2 on this side and 2 on this side. And we've hit the point now where we've got 4 extensions left, 2 for each side. I'm going to put them about here, so like here and here. And that should just sort out this last little bit. So this side is done. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side and then we're finished. Okay, so after about an hour and a half, I have finally finished, and I think this looks so much better than the last time I did it. I think it looks really good. Everything's blended together really nice. I am really happy with it. I think it looks really quite natural. I am going to try out the curling wand and the crimper, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because this took so much longer than I thought it was going to. I'm hot and it's like 11 o'clock at night now, so I'm going to go to bed and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, it is the next day and it's time to try some of these curling things from SHEIN. I'm really excited. I'm especially excited to try this waver. My hair is already a little bit wavy because I did sleep with plaits in, just because sleeping with plaits in your hair is so good for your hair. So I do try and do that as much as possible. So my hair is already slightly wavy. We'll try this one first. I've never used a curling wand like this, so I'm looking forward to trying it. I've just plugged it in and it looks like it has the red light on there, which I assume is telling me that it's heating up. At the top here, I don't know if you can see, but it says 220 degrees Celsius, and then at the bottom it says 170, and then in the middle it's just 0, which I assume just turns it off. So it has 2 settings, 220 or 170, so we're gonna go with 220. It also comes with this little thing, which is like a stand, so you can stand it up so it doesn't burn your counter. It says that this little black bit is an anti-scalding top. It is. It's not hot, so you can hold that part of it. That's great. The red light is still on. I don't know if it's ever gonna go off. I don't know if it goes off when it heats up or if it just stays on the whole time, so we're just gonna go for it. Okay, I'm going to the end and then I'm just gonna whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it. So it has curled. It's definitely curled it really well and it's hot. So I'm just gonna let that sit and I'm gonna do a couple more strands of my hair as well. Okay, so I mean the curler definitely works. I don't have like a wide tooth comb, so I'm just gonna like comb it out with my fingers and see what it looks like. That is what it's looking like. I think that this curler is going to create really nice curls. We're going to now try the crimper. This one similarly has two settings, but this one has 210 degrees and 180 degrees, so it's slightly different settings to the curler wand. But it has this same kind of stand and this same, I don't know what it's called, lever? I don't know, it has the same kind of mechanism. I'm going to try doing this section of my hair. Alright, so it has worked. You can see it is crimped. I think I'm going to carry on and I'm going to do the rest of my head with this. I like the size of this because you can do big sections at once. Like, look at that section. I love that crimper. I'm going to be using that so much. This is what it looks like from the back. I am so happy with it. I 100% recommend SHEIN hair products. They're all so good. So I'll do a before and after of my hair. So that's what my hair looked like before and this is what my hair looks like now. It looks so nice and full and voluminous and long. I love it so much. So thank you so much to SHEIN for partnering with me on this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.